a comprehensive guide to USA education loans for international students. Pursuing a degree in the United States is a transformative investment in one's professional future, yet the escalating costs of tuition, housing, and cost of living often necessitate a strategic financial plan. For many, searching for a USA education loan is the most viable path to bridging the gap between personal savings and the total cost of attendance at prestigious American universities. Navigating the landscape of student financing in the U.S. is a complex process that differs significantly between domestic and international applicants. While U.S. citizens have access to federal student loans provided by the Department of Education, which offer low fixed interest rates and income-driven repayment plans, international students primarily rely on private education loans. These private loans are offered by specialized financial institutions and credit unions that evaluate an applicant's potential based on their academic track record, the reputation of their chosen university, and their future earning capacity in high-demand fields like STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or business administration. Understanding the nuances of these financial products is essential for maintaining your F1 student visa status, as the U.S. Embassy requires proof of funds during the visa interview process to ensure that the student will not become a public charge. A critical decision in the loan application process is whether to apply with a U.S. cosigner. A cosigner is a U.S. citizen or permanent resident with a strong credit history who legally agrees to take responsibility for the debt if the student defaults. Having a cosigner significantly increases the chances of loan approval and often results in substantially lower interest rates. However, for many international students, finding a local guarantor is impossible. Fortunately, the 2026 financial market has seen a rise in no-cosigner loans offered by innovative lenders like Empower Financing and Prodigy Finance. These lenders utilize proprietary credit scoring models that look at the student's future earning potential rather than their current credit score. These loans are specifically designed for high-achieving students attending top-tier institutions and often include benefits like visa support letters and career guidance. When evaluating a loan offer, it is vital to distinguish between fixed interest rates, which remain the same throughout the life of the loan, and variable interest rates, which fluctuate based on market indices, like the SOFR secured overnight financing rate. A specialized education loan consultant can help students calculate the annual percentage rate, APR, to understand the true cost of borrowing, including origination fees and capitalized interest. The repayment structure of a USA international student loan is another vital consideration. Most student loans offer a grace period, which typically lasts 6 months after graduation, allowing the borrower time to secure employment before full monthly payments begin. During this period, and while the student is in school, many lenders offer interest-only payment options to prevent the total debt from ballooning due to compounding interest. Furthermore, international students must be aware of how their work authorization, such as optional practical training, OPT, or the H-1B visa, impacts their ability to repay the loan in US dollars. Many lenders provide flexible repayment terms of 10 to 15 years, and some even offer interest rate discounts for setting up automated payments. It is also important to research whether your chosen university has a preferred lender list, as these institutions often negotiate better terms for their students. Beyond tuition, an education loan can often cover certified costs, including books, health insurance, and room and board, provided the total amount does not exceed the university's official cost of attendance, COA. Ultimately, securing a USA education loan is about more than just paying for classes. It is about empowering oneself to access world-class resources and a global networking platform. By carefully comparing loan terms, understanding the legal obligations of the promissory note, and planning for a post-graduation career path, students can turn their American dream into a manageable and successful reality. In an era where global mobility is key to professional success, specialized financial products provide the bridge that allows talent to transcend borders. Whether you are aiming for a master's at an Ivy League school or a specialized technical degree at a state university, a well-structured education loan ensures that financial barriers do not stand in the way of academic excellence and long-term career growth in the United States.